Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer photos or videos from your Android phone to laptop or PC. Alright guys, to transfer photos or videos from your Android to laptop or PC, one of the way that we can use is using the USB cable. So you have to connect your Android device to your laptop or PC, and after you have connected your Android to your laptop or PC, you can go to the notification panel, and then you're going to click on the USB for file transfer. Tap on the USB for file transfer, and you can tap on this option again until this option appear on your screen. Then make sure that you select the transferring files or Android Auto. Okay, and after that we can open our laptop or PC. Alright, and on the laptop or the PC, you can open your file explorer. This one, tap on your file explorer, then you can click on this PC. Then this is my Android device. We can double click on the Android device to open it. Then you can select either you want to transfer photos or video from your SD card or phone. And for example, I'm going to transfer my files from my SD card, so we can open the SD card. Then I'm going to transfer from the recording folder. Okay, and I'm going to transfer this video, so we can select it like this. Then just right click on the video until this option appear on your screen. Then you can select cut or copy, and for example, I'm going to copy. Just click on copy. Then you can go to this PC, and you can select the folder from your PC you would like to copy your file to, and I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to copy my file to this folder. You can right click, then click on paste. Alright guys, and now as you can see, now the files are being transferred to the laptop. Okay guys, and that's how we can transfer photos or videos from our Android to laptop or PC, and I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.